We are finally back, guys. We are finally back. I'm back at my setup. For those that don't know, I just came back from my trip. I went on a trip to Aspen for Christmas. Just so I could take some time off the markets and all that good stuff. And I'm finally back to my setup, back and ready to trade, guys. So welcome. Now, looking at the market coming into market open, it's looking a little bit weird. You know, we're gonna see what we can cook up, but I'm gonna go ahead and go live over in the premium, and see where we can go from there. All right, guys. Hopefully we can catch something good, today and start the week off perfect. All right, guys. But so far I'm not really seeing anything that's really catching my eye. I'll explain now more in a second, but we're gonna find out very soon. All right, guys. So here, let me join the premium, the live trading the premium real quick. Yo, what's good, guys? Bro, I'm finally back in my setup. You guys don't understand how good this feels. But yeah, guys. Anyways, so coming into market open, I'm sure you guys have seen the market. It's looking very, like a lot of selling. All right. So we're gonna see what we can do from here. What I mean, I'm gonna try to cook something up good. But right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know the market has sold off maybe over 400, maybe even close to 500 points, but I'm as bearish as I could be. Main reason being, I mean, we've taken out every single level of liquidity to the downside, and it just seems like there's more selling. It just keeps flowing in, like there's nothing stopping it, right? So now that I was looking at this with all the selling coming in, all this good stuff, guys, what I'm looking at was I was okay. First of all, I was hoping to see if we could sweep London lows right here. We were getting some buying. I'm like, okay, sure. If the buying comes in strong, we could probably look to inverse this 5 minute fair value gap, right? No, it just we just want to keep going lower, right? So if this London low can't hold us from going any lower, then we have absolutely nothing stopping us until 106, which I know it seems like a far stretch, especially with us selling off. I don't even know how much. How much did we sell off overnight? The overnight session opened up pretty much right. Where was it? Okay, the overnight session opened up right here. We've sold off nearly yeah, 450 points to the downside, right? Which is insane, right? Nothing stopping us. No signs of buying. No signs of a reversal. Nothing, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, hey, with so much selling coming in, I know it's crazy. I know we probably seem oversold and all that stuff, but I don't know. Just from what I'm seeing, there's really nothing that's gonna stop us until we see 160. I mean, we could still try to sweep 358, which is the London low, but I mean, there's so many sellers that I really doubt we see this low. So who knows? Who knows? We're gonna see, right? Coming into market. But here, let me put out this YouTube stream real quick. Let me put it out real quick. There we go. But yeah, pretty much. Now setup wise, because obviously you guys want to hear more about the setup. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm kind of liking the 15-minute time frame a little bit more than the 5 minute, just because the 5 minute, I'm not gonna say it looks bad. It's just not as, how do I say this, like as exciting, pretty much. Like, there's really not much going on, right? There's no setup. There's really nothing, right? So if we use the 15-minute time frame, first of all, if we measure the opening candle, which is gonna be this one, we have a 100 point candle, which is insane, right? Very very nice imbalance here and everything, right? Now on top of that, if we measure out this fair value gap, well, obviously it's a fair value gap. Now I want to see if we can get some sort of a rejection after this 15-minute candle closes. If we can get a rejection off of this, we could definitely look into shorts for sure. Like, it'll be a really really good trade into shorts. It wouldn't be bad, just because the, like, I don't know. Like, I just, I don't see us reversing. I mean, we still could. I will give the market about 10 minutes to try to us to try to sweep this London low. But if we hold below it and it seems like sellers are in complete control, I mean, we might as well just look for shorts into 160. It would just make the most sense, right? Orange folder in 1 minute. Orange folders don't usually do anything. I mean, we just had one come out and nothing came out really. Um, but yeah, now while we wait for this, we're in. Yeah. But let me see if that does anything. I'm pretty sure, didn't we just inverse it? Oh no, we didn't. We have another one. Oh wow. Anyways, guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but yesterday I took pretty much all day to upgrade my setup because I'm bringing back doing pretty much videos and all stuff explaining the strategy. I want to start getting more into content creation, so expect more of that very soon. So yeah, but I'm still working on it. I'm trying to get I bought these foam panels. I keep putting them up on the wall and they keep falling out, so I gotta figure something out with that. But yeah, that's for later. Anyways, we are getting buying coming in, which I would say is a good sign. I mean, you know what I mean? We could still sweep this London roll. I mean, I'm not expecting it, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. Um, Now, if we do end up getting a lot of buying and we do end up holding above this London low to the point where, like, you know, we're getting an MSS, you know, a lot of buying's coming in, all that good stuff, what we could do is we can look to inverse this 5-minute bearish rally gap and just target liquidity above. I would love to trade this. Trust me, I really would love to trade this. But I don't know how the market is going to react with so much selling coming in. So we're going to have to find out. Alright, guys. Now, I don't know how we're going to hold up this 15-minute rally gap with this many buyers coming in. I'm really, really hoping buyers do step in strong because I don't, as much as I'm saying I'm bearish, I don't want to trade shorts. I mean, the market has sold off so much to the point where I don't really feel comfortable taking shorts, if that makes sense. Um, so we're gonna find out. I'm fingers crossed we get some buying to come in very, very strong soon, so we can pump up into this bearish rally gap and try to inverse it. It's a bearish 5-minute and a bearish 15-minute fair rally gap right here. If we can inverse this, we really have nothing stopping us until drawing liquidity, and then the rest is history. All right, guys. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But yeah. Now if we can't hold above this London low for the next 8 minutes, I'm probably gonna stick to shorts. Probably. I'm not saying I'm not really like sticking to being bearish, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out really soon. We're looking at M&Q March 2025. I think is that one. Yeah. Good morning. Do you think it's better for me to take the rest of the day? Yeah, bro. I mean, you made your money, bro. You made your money. Why not? Buyers look dead. Right now, the thing is, the 5-minute is not looking the prettiest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The 5-minute is not looking the prettiest, which is why I'm telling you I kind of want to stick to the 15-minute if we want to try to get a setup. But we don't know. We don't know. I mean, we're still trying to decide. Keep in mind, the market opened like 22 minutes ago. Nothing crazy. But yeah. Are we off tomorrow and Wednesday? Since no, tomorrow I am trading. Tomorrow I'm trading. Now, one thing happened. An unfortunate thing, obviously. I read something about a former president. His name is Carter. I think that's his name. He passed away, and apparently when I never knew this. Apparently, you know, you learn something new every day. Apparently, when a president passes away, yeah, Jimmy Carter. Apparently, when a president passes away, they close the markets for the funeral. Which I never knew. You know what I mean? So, from what I'm hearing, apparently, okay, Wednesday is close because obviously it's New Year's. You guys know this. But apparently, I don't know if this is true. You know, I guess it's not set up or anything. But I I I think they might be closing the markets on Thursday or Friday for the funeral. I don't know. Don't quote me on this. So this is I've been looking at my friends' servers, and their members have been saying like, hey, yeah, the market should be closed. For it's confirmed for January 9th. Let me check. Okay, so it's not this Thursday then. Let me see, January 9th. The thing is, here it doesn't say anything about the market being closed. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. If it's not this Thursday, it's next Thursday, which it should be. But yeah. Who exactly? The New York Stock Exchange. They just don't. You know, they just don't open the market. They don't. They just don't process the orders. Why the fuck would they close the markets? I guess it's just to pay respect or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I mean, bro, it's a former president. I guess you know it's something huge. You know what I mean? It's a big deal. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I don't know too much about it. I just read it because I was like peeping one of my friend's servers, and I came across that. But you know what I mean? I didn't even know he existed. Me neither. But you know at the same time, it's just what it is. Anyways, we're getting selling again, which is I would say a good sign. You know, for if we want to look for shorts, if we want to have our bearish bias. But we're gonna find out. We still have this 15-minute fair value gap, which closes in 5 minutes. So in the meantime, you know, if you guys have any questions, you guys ask me while we wait for the setup. But I would say the game plan for now, guys, is we want to wait. Okay, obviously we want to wait for this candle to close, right? Once this candle closes, what we want to look for is something like this into this fair value gap, right? We want to wait for a very strong rejection. Obviously, I don't want to, you know, if we shoot past this drawn liquidity, it might signal a possible reversal. We don't know that, right? So we need to make sure we get a very strong rejection, right? Once we get this rejection, we're gonna look for an entry around here, right? Then we take shorts, we target the low. If we create the low down here, right? Then we just target 160. In my opinion, like I said, we have nothing stopping us until 160, and we're currently trading at 325. So, I mean, how many points would that be? I mean, let's say, for example, we take shorts like right here, for example. We're looking at about a 200-point trade, which would be huge. Um, and I know it might seem like a far stretch, like, hey, you know what I mean, like 160, that's very far for a drawn liquidity or a price target. But with so much selling coming in, I mean, I would say it's fair enough. What about the inverse at 285? Um, this fair value gap is. I mean, yeah, you could probably take this, yeah. I mean, why? I much rather enter 100 points above it. You know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, this could work. I mean, are we bouncing good off of it? Yeah, we are. Okay, good, cool. The thing is, I don't really like trading very old fair value gaps. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out how this goes. I mean, if we get the selling up here, it'll make sense. You know. Now, one thing I don't like about this market today is the volume. I'm not gonna say we're choppy. Oh, okay. To be fair, yeah, we kind of are. It's definitely looking a lot slower than previous days. For example, Friday was it was pretty good, at least the opening. So I'm really hoping we don't chop up for today because I really want to give you guys a setup. But if not, I mean, we'll see how that goes. So yeah. But obviously, we're kind of sandwiched in between two fair value gaps. So like I said, I need to make sure we get some sort of reading first. I really want to see a reading off of this fair value gap up here, get some sort of rejection, and then we take shorts into drawn liquidity. But we're gonna find out. We obviously we need to wait to see what the market wants to do. Right now, I'm not gonna say the volume looks bad. I'm just gonna say the momentum looks bad. There definitely is a good chunk of volume, especially selling volume, which is a good sign. But we need to see what we can do. I mean, we're in a tough spot. Orange folder in 3. Yeah, orange folders don't really do anything, especially when the orange folder is oh, it's home sales. Okay, this one might do something, actually. But yeah. Yo, I see you're using the 15-minute time frame. However, aren't there micro fair value gaps on the 5-minute? Yeah, but not right now, at least. Not right now. There's none to use. If not, I would have been using the 5-minute. Are you gonna size on this possible setup? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really have a setup. Now, the market is selling off, and we're inversing this 15-minute, which I don't know. I mean, we could probably use this if, you know, if. Let me look at the 5-minute. Let me make sure that it's looking. Okay, 63 points. Okay. Well, maybe we can form something here. I really wanted to see something up here so we can get the best entry, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. Let me delete this. And yeah, I mean, we just bounce up like nothing pretty much. But I'm gonna stay patient and just wait for a setup to come up. Obviously, I don't want to force anything out with you guys on the live, but I really do think we could get a setup very soon. Now, if you guys want to influence 15 minutes to get some sort of a risky entry, it won't be horrible. It won't be a horrible idea. And I'm saying that because there's really nothing stopping us to 160. I mean, I've been repeating that all life pretty much. So yeah, I mean, if you guys want to take the risk off the 15-minute, it doesn't look horrible. It really doesn't look horrible. The thing is, for me, you guys know me. I don't like trading fair value gaps from the past. Like they're a little old. They don't really get respected the same or anything. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close. I'm gonna wait for news to come out just so we don't risk that messing us up. And if anything, we could use this 5-minute bearish rally gap that we're creating right now as a possible setup. I mean, we get a small retracement into the 15-minute, into the 5-minute. We take shorts, boom, into 160. You know what I mean? So it won't be a horrible idea. Now, if you guys don't want to do that and you guys don't want to risk not getting an entry, sure, you guys can take a good sell-off from the 15-minute fair value gap that we're about to get very, very soon, and just go off that if you guys do want to do that. But for me, I'm going to see how this 5-minute closes and just base it off that. I'm assuming it's going to be a lot easier, a lot stress-free, and just go from there. All right? So, yeah. Let's see. This candle closes in about 5 seconds. We have about 60 points in this candle, which is not bad. Now, we just need to see how this next candle opens up. right? So news just came out, so we might get a sell-off, we might get a pump-up, we don't know. But depending on what happens there, all I want to do is see a retracement into this fair value gap like this, and just take it from there, right? Now, did anyone take shorts off this 15-minute fair value gap? I'm actually curious, because it's a risky one, but it could actually work. It could work in your favor. Hell no? Okay, figured. Yeah, I figured. Now I'm just watching. Okay, cool. Okay, that's good. Now, obviously, we keep creating fair value gaps on the way down. Market is selling off. Obviously, news came out, which is pending home sales. So, what I'm looking for here is I'm going to see if the market can give us one tiny retracement. Obviously, we have the selling in control. If we can get one, tiny retracement to the upside into this fair value gap, same idea as what we did up here. We just want to see it right here. We get a rejection off anywhere in the fair value gap. We get a very nice sell-off. Once we get that sell-off, we look for shorts, and then we just target liquidity 1, wherever we create the low. And then we target liquidity 2 at 160, which is the main level for today. Right? Once we take out 160, that's it. The day is done. I mean, I'm not really expecting much more. Right, guys? So, yeah, I'm really hoping we can see some sort of retracement. This candle closes in about 4 minutes, so, it's going to take some time. But we go from there, and we'll see. Alright, now, ES on the other hand, it's looking pretty decent. I don't think this is a fair value. It is, actually. Okay. Very nice sell-off right there. Perfect. Alright. So, yeah, I mean, I guess for now, this is probably going to be the setup. What the... Oh, bro, what? You guys saw it? Bro, that shit just went from, like... What? Yo, that... Okay. Well... Okay, well, now, I mean, with so much buying coming in, did something come up? What the hell? Did something come up? Like, what type of buying was that, bro? I mean, alright, sure, I guess. I'm not sure why buyers just stepped in super strong like this. But I guess we don't have a fair value gap anymore. Okay, okay. Well, news? Well, obviously, yeah, we know it's news, but why did it react so late? I mean, it reacted like 2 minutes later. Yeah, it literally reacted 2 minutes later. That's weird. Okay. Well, I guess there goes the setup. There goes the setup, I guess. News doesn't usually react 2 minutes later. It usually reacts as it comes out, but I guess not. I guess not. But alright. And we're going to reject back down. So we're going to completely take away the fair value gap that we had, which is perfect, and just go back down. Oh, it was pending. Oh, I guess it came out late then. Okay, cool. I guess it came out late. Well, I guess we're going to have to wait for one more setup to form then. We had one, a good one, right here, but I guess not. I guess not. Well, we're going to have to keep waiting. Caught the bottom. How do you even catch the bottom of that? How do you catch the bottom of that? But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Now at this point, we're at a point where we've sold off so much to the point where we're not gonna get a sweep until 160. So I'm more than likely just gonna stay bearish until we get something. I really doubt we reverse. This is just the news reaction. But yeah, we really don't have any fair value gaps down here. I mean, if you would have taken the 15-minute, you would have gotten stopped out. If you don't take the 5-minute, doesn't exist. Yeah, there's really not much to work with down here until 160. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm really hoping we can catch something, but price seems to be picking up, which is a good thing. But on the way down, I'm not really seeing anything too crazy that's catching my eye. At least yet. That hasn't formed. The 5-minute looking the same. Yeah, no, there's not much to work with here. Now, if we can shoot up into this 15-minute bearish rally gap, that'll be better. That'll be a lot better because obviously we can get a setup there. But down here, we probably won't have a setup for about another 60 points. You know what I mean? Yes, pretty much 56 points because that's how much it takes to retrace into this bearish rally gap. And yeah, so we're gonna see. I mean, if we can get buyers to step in very strong, we can work off something from there. But down here, I mean, with price getting a little bit slow and everything, there's not much we can really work with here. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. On the 5-minute, nothing crazy. The 15-minute, Nothing crazy until we see this fair value gap. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. All right, guys. But yeah, let me catch up with the chat here. Let me make sure everything's good. Yep, yep, yep. But yeah. I'm really hoping price doesn't get choppy around here. Because like I said, I really want to give you guys a trade. But if it takes time, then drink bro. No, I'm fine, bro. Any discounts on Apex? I don't think they have one out yet. They should have one out by I'm surprised they didn't do one for Christmas. But if they don't do one for Christmas, it might be for New Year's. If anyone here does the most discounts, it's Apex. So it should be soon. I just don't know how soon. You guys keep asking me. I don't know. I don't work for them. So yeah, we're gonna find out. New Year's discount. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully, but let me see. But yeah, so far, there's not much I can really work with here until we see. It would have to be more upside because what I'm trying to say is if the market sells off more. Okay, look, we created a low down here at 253. If you want to create a fair value gap on the way down, we're gonna have to dump at least 40 points, right? We're gonna be at 211. We're not gonna get too much of a good risk reward here. So if we want to be able to catch good trades with this type of price action, like you guys are saying in the chat, we're gonna have to work. We're pretty much gonna have to work off this 15-minute fair value gap. This is gonna be kind of our only hope. Now, if buyers come in very strong, we could always look to inverse it. But for now, what I'm looking for would probably have to be a retracement into this gap to sell off to the downside. This is what I would want to see, and obviously we target this liquidity down here. But the thing is, this is pretty much a waiting game today. We're gonna have to wait for a setup. Why retracement? I mean, bro, what more can we take? There's nothing else. We need a retracement. It's fine if we don't trade. Oh yeah, no, of course. If there's nothing, I'm not gonna give you guys a losing trade. Obviously, you guys don't like that. No one does. But yeah, pretty much what I'm trying to say is today, like I said, is gonna have to be more of a waiting game. Obviously we're not getting the open that we want to see. And we're not to see if I mean we do have setups. Like I said, we do have setups. It's just it's gonna take time to see it with obviously the price being a little bit weird, a little bit slow, and all that stuff. All right, guys. So obviously, like I always say, bear with me. Once we find a setup, I'll take it. We take it together, and we make money. What about the rally-based rally strat? Nah, I don't use that anymore, at least. Nobody train tomorrow? I am. Tomorrow should be. Tomorrow's a regular day. Tomorrow is a regular day. The only day that's closed is New Year's, which is obviously on the 1st. So yeah. So Wednesday the market is closed. Tomorrow we're fine. We have news tomorrow and everything. Thursday and Friday they're also fine, and then from there on out we are pretty much good. You know, the market is gonna be normal from there on out. I thought New Year's was on the 31st. No, but it's on the 1st, bro. Well, it's New Year's Eve tomorrow, yeah, but the markets aren't closed. The markets aren't closed tomorrow. But yeah, right now it kind of seems like the markets are stuck at this 300 price range. I mean, it doesn't want to go any lower. It doesn't want to go any higher. It's kind of just struggling here, and we've been struggling kind of since market open. So, like I said, we're gonna have to just wait it out, pretty much. There's NFP this Friday. Let me check. Oh yeah, we do have NFP this Friday. So Friday should be a very volatile day, for sure. Thursday should be a normal day. Wait, actually no, that's next week. Wait, hold on. My bad. This week, no, we don't have NFP this week. It's next week. My bad. I was looking at the wrong chart. Next week. So this week we just have PMI, which is nothing crazy. Next week, yeah, we have FOMC and we have NFP, which is really really good. Yeah, of course, of course. Oh yeah. I'm just hoping we can get a setup soon. I really don't want to be on all day. Um, and obviously if the market is not, with good price, then what more can we do? You know what I mean? How was Aspen, bro? It was really, really good. I'm definitely going back sometime next year, like for sure. But yeah, let's see. Okay, we're getting some sort of a. No, not really. I just want to get. I just want to see one fair value gap retracement. We haven't had one all of market open pretty much. Um, just one. Once we get that one retracement and we see the selling coming in, that's gonna be our cue to take shorts. There's no. Is there no liquidity at 243? What do we have at 243? I don't know. I don't think we do know. Yeah, no, we don't have any liquid. 243. No, not really. I mean, this is not really too strong. I mean, you could definitely use it as a price target, but if you want strong liquidity, then I would use 160. But yeah, 243. Not really. No, I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's not like a major bounce. You know what I mean? It's just kind of like a red to green candle, pretty much. But no. No, no, I would. The only one that we really have here is this fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame and this 160 level, which is DOL. Why didn't you take the retest of the 945 candle? I don't think we had one. 945. Yeah, no, we don't. We didn't have any. Yeah, no, this candle is ugly. Matter of fact, you know, we didn't have any retracement. Now the buying is picking up here. Like I said, hopefully we can pick something up good here because I mean, you guys are seeing the price. It's wick after wick after wick after wick, right? So obviously there's not much we can really do here until we get something. Right, so we're waiting on that. But the 945 candle, yeah, there is no retracement here at all. I don't know if you're looking at it on the 1 minute time frame or I don't know, maybe the 15 minute. No, nothing. Like it went into the 15-minute fair value gap. No, it didn't. It didn't. It was creating the 15-minute fair value gap, but it didn't really retrace into it. But yeah, all right. So buyers are stepping in actually really strong here. Hopefully we can get something good here. It's a 50-point push up here. Like I said, guys, all I want to see is one simple retracement. If we can get a retracement at least into like 360, I can give you guys a trade. I can get you guys a trade pretty much. This candle is shaking aggressively. Yeah, hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it holds up. But if not, then like I said, it's just you know. We'll see. We'll see. Don't rush your setup. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. But obviously, I am seeing setups that I want to take. It's nothing forced. Don't worry. Active tomorrow? Yeah, I will be on tomorrow. Yeah, I will be on. Wednesday, obviously, I won't be active. No one will be because the markets are closed for New Year's. But other than that, yeah, tomorrow I'll be on. Wednesday I will not be on. No one will be on. Because obviously the markets are closed. Thursday, Friday, and going forward, I'll be on every day, pretty much. But yeah, it seems like it's gonna be one of these push-ups where we just wick. If this candle wicks, then I'm just gonna. I don't know. It's gonna be a hard one. Because we won't be able to you know what I mean, price will be too choppy. You know what I mean? Like I need to see price actually holding its momentum. If not, then we can't catch anything. But yeah. When is this 5 minute? Okay, in a minute. Okay, we're pushing up nice here. Really, really nice. I don't think we swept any liquidity, so I'm not gonna say I want to look for any inverses. At least for now. I really don't want to look for anything. For now, I do want to see how we react off this fair value gap. If we don't get a rejection off this, I'm gonna want to wait for us to inverse this one if we end up inversing it to look to see if we can take something off 450. I know it's a bit of a stretch, but um I would say it will be a good one. But right now, price is pushing up like crazy, which is good. I want to see this. Obviously, I want to see this. But let's see. I want to see if we can get some sort of a reaction off this bearish rally gap. If we can get a very, very strong reaction, I might consider taking at least some light shorts into this. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. Hopefully we can retrace. I mean, we're really 20 points away from it, which is, it can't be that hard. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon. Now this should be a pullback, obviously with the new candle opening up. We should see a red to green. I would say soon. And ES is not. It's that thing is dead. Okay, so we don't have to focus on yesterday. But yeah, we should see a red to green. I would say soon. This is gonna be. I'm assuming it's a new candle pullback. It's pretty normal. But I really want to see how how we react off this bearish rally gap. We really only need to put now about 30 points. Once we push up 30 points, we should get a retracement. Like I said, red to green, which is normal. Especially with all the buying coming in. I just want to see how we react off this 15 minute. It has to be a good reaction. There's no way it's not. I mean, what? You know what I mean? Like this, but we haven't swept anything down here. And with price selling off so much, it doesn't make sense to not take out 160. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I really want to take a trade into 160, but it would have to be off this 15 minute. It's pretty much our only hope, I would say. But let's see if we can even get a retracement. It seems like price is struggling here. We get the most random 5-minute bullish candle, like possible, and then we just sell off out of nowhere. Let me see. Hey, bro, Zay, take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Loki scary for entering shorts though. I'm not gonna say it's scary. No. I mean, we have the reason to be bearish, and the market just wants to sell back down with no retracement. Ah, man, today is something, guys. It's a pretty ugly day. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Water PA, yeah. It's gonna be one of these days where it's an ugly one. You know what I mean? Oh wait, Krabby took shorts. What? He trading on a Monday. The hell? Barcode day. Yep. Yep. It's like we get a super nice push up, and the next candle there's absolutely no buying, and we just dump back down. You can't make it make sense, pretty much. You really can't. Like we look at this. It's like this candle never existed. It's like this candle never existed. We just sell off completely all the way down. You can't make it up. You really can't. But we're. Oh wait, well there's Krabby.
Yo.
Bro. What's up,
Bro, David.
What?
Did you see what happened?
Let me hear it.
Bro, I took a short. 1 minute later, I stop out. Like, what the fuck?
Bro, Krabby, this market today, bro. I'm trying to say that's good, bro, but it's
like what?
Like, bro, there's no retracement. There's nothing. I'm still trying to work something out here. I mean, the market hasn't even been open for an hour, but bro, I've been trying to get shorts all morning, bro. You don't understand. Because I want to take it down to 160, but I can't get anything. Where'd you take shorts off of?
Dude.
What's up?
Dude. Bro, these 1 minute candles are like 60 points, bro.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Let me see. Bro, what the? Wait,
Dude,
where'd you enter? You entered shorts at 10:10, right? So like right here.
Yeah, oh, off that flip. Yeah, off that flip. And then we instantly wake up higher, and then we dump after,
Wait,
and I'm like, alright, great.
Wait, you took shorts?
Right at that wick. Yeah, I was green a little bit, and then I stopped out right away. Literally instantly. Bro, guys, I'm telling you, I enter. Oh my guys, alright, a little bit of green here. And I'm telling you, that candle flips so fast.
we were watching it, bro. Like price just flips out of nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, this might be the retracement that we're looking for. No, bro, we nearly hit it. We miss it by 10 points, and we just sell.
Oh, I know.
So I'm like, bro, I'm here like pretty much with nothing. I can't really catch anything here. I'm trying, but I mean, bro, look at this market, bro. It's wick after wick after wick. So we're gonna see. Let's see. Yo, how's the new chair?
Fire, bro. Fire.
Fire. Nice, bro.
Yeah, it's actually good. Oh, David, I just blew my win streak off that bullshit.
Bro.
For fuck's sakes. David, imagine ending on a red trade on the year. Dude.
Bro. That's how it was for me, bro. My first red week, and bro, I don't think this. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Last week was probably my worst week of the entire year. No, not probably. It was my worst week of for the entire year. I
You're
I just
good.
bro, nothing was bro like Krabby. Every setup was playing out
Yeah.
perfectly. Every setup, perfect entry, perfect price action, perfect price targets. They're all getting hit. No, bro. Every time I entered, it would stop me out at the complete bottom, push up into my price target. I'm like, okay, let me get a re-entry. It will stop me out at the complete bottom into my price target. Okay, guys, not my day. Next day, stops me out into my price target. I'm like, bro, bro, like bro, you don't understand. I couldn't, bro. I was sleeping and I would have nightmares of those stops, bro.
You're good. You're good.
Oh my god, bro, everything was getting respected last week. Perfect price action, perfect everything. No, bro, just stop. It will stop me out left and right, bro. It has never happened to me like that, bro. It has never been that bad. But I did take a win on yes. And I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm gonna take this win. I'm gonna end the day pretty much break even and just call it. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna call it and just call it a week. You know. But we're gonna see. Hopefully, bro, this week treats me a lot better. Obviously, not today with this type of garbage price action, but we're gonna see, bro. And I really wanted to take shorts into 160, bro. You don't understand.
Oh, don't worry. I know. I was
Wait,
looking at
you
short
were
stuff.
targeting 160 as well, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. It's probably gonna be one of these days where it slowly like goes down into the price target with no setups.
Uh,
You guys share the same strategy? Pretty much, yeah. Same strategy, different models. If that makes sense, like different, right?
yeah,
Pretty much, yeah.
yeah.
Bro, Krabby, we've been stuck at this 300 price range for the last 20 minutes, maybe even 25 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes. It's just, bro,
Dude,
Krabby, bro. I got my
is
setup, bro. I've been building it, bro. Going into next year, bro. I told myself I'm going to get into YouTube, not streams, not no, like actual videos. Like I want to start doing like traveling with trading and like mixing those two.
mm,
Yeah, 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 yeah. Bro,
you
ever
get
since I
that
went to Aspen, I'm
money.
like, bro, I need to like have my life like this, bro. So why not record it? You know what I mean? See, I've been building my setup and everything. I gotta go return some stuff because I bought the wrong stuff, and then I might record my video today. I have a video planned. I'm gonna hire an editor and everything. But yeah. Anyways, trade in Asia. I am not. Oh, I thought you were saying trade Asia. No, I'm not. No, I don't want to live in Asia. I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. I'm good in Miami. While watching the 15-minute time frame, well, I mean, it's look at the 5 minute. But yeah, uh, bro, no, I am not doing that, bro. Definitely not. Bro, Krabby, bro. My confidence for today is kind of dead, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This price is. Why'd you pause the book? I just wasn't ready for it. I had to get up. You know, I was making the setup and everything. Now that I finished it, you know, I'm gonna get back into it. But yeah, bro, Krabby, this market is
I just
just.
banked 30 points.
You took you took shorts again?
Yeah,
What? Off what?
I'm up 31 points.
Wait, what? Oh, wait. What? Oh, wait. Wait, what'd you take it off of?
I'll show you after.
Bet. I mean, nice, bro. Hell yeah, but yeah. Let me see. The thing is now, if we take out this low, no, we're never gonna create a fair value. That's the thing. I still don't have an entry model anywhere. Actually, I might have one. Hold up. 48 points. I don't even know if this is gonna close though, or I mean hold. Um, I just want to see how we react off once we take out 253. I don't know if we're gonna get a sweep or not, because I don't know if it's a strong one. But I'm curious, because if we sweep off of 253 and we have this bearish rally gap, we could always look to take an inverse off of it. We don't have to. I mean, like, what is this, bro? Bro, what is this price? I don't get it.
No cap. Can't even continue lower.
Bro, it's like, bro, I'm like, okay, guys, we might have a setup here on the 5-minute time frame. No, it just instantly takes it out. Bro, that is insane, bro. Oh my god. Bro, you guys see this, right? No game, bro. You guys see this, right? Today is not it, man. Wow, bro, that is. You really can't make this up. It's gonna be one of those Mondays where it's a bad Monday. Wow, bro, that is insane. Are you showing your short, Scrabby? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Well,
Should I take the
27,
day off?
27
Honestly,
points.
bro, you're probably better off taking it off. Yeah. Very volatile, very choppy. Very volatile. You can't mix volatile or volatility and chop. You know what I mean? You just can't mix those because it's just you take any trading, you're out. You know what I mean? That's what are your thoughts on the 30-second Ferrari gap? I don't trade off the 30-second time frame. Is there a PM session? I'll see. I'll see. If we see a setup, then yeah, more than likely. But right now, I mean, bro, it's like, you know, it's like what can we do here?
They've looked at that candle. That shit flush now.
Yeah, I mean, bro, imagine if you would have gone stop.
Imagine we push up here.
Oh my god, bro.
Imagine we watch. It'll push right back up. Look.
But if we no, if we actually push back up, I'm calling it a day.
I'm calling it too. Yeah.
I'm not gonna trade
I'm
this.
taking my green. I'm off.
Yeah. That is
I'm
crazy,
off this
bro.
shit, bro.
Let's see. I really want to see a reaction off of 253. We did get a strong reaction off that, so maybe we can get something. But bro, if this candle flips from a flushing candle into a like a complete bullish candle, I'm off.
Yeah.
I'm off. I'm not trading this. I don't care. Calling it Tony, bro. Do you not see the market, bro? Like what?
Bro, I swear to God.
Like at least going to 253, so we can, so I can at least get a reading of something. No, you should be trading MNQH5, right? Yeah, MNQH5. Yeah, usually the best. Yeah, I agree with Limitless. Usually the best trades happen before 10 a.m. Anything past 10 a.m., it's either gonna be a quick scalp or no trade at all. That's usually the pattern. But I mean, right now, bro, you guys see it's wick after wick after wick after wick. I really can't do anything here. And like someone said, even if we do get a setup, it's gonna be extremely risky. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna stay on for a little longer just in case we get something. But man, this thing is looking really ugly right now.
Look what Lanto sent in there.
Yeah, bro, you know that you know that price is bad when even Lonzo says that price is bad. That's how you know, bro. That's your cue. That's how you know. When Lonto's struggling, that's, you know. Only 200. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think most people are on break. What about the bearish Ferrari right now forming in the 50-minute time frame? We can hit a retracement onto 160. What do we have on? We don't have anything on the 15-minute. That's the problem. We don't have any gap here. Like, sure, yeah, we do have an imbalance. Don't get me wrong, but where's the gap? You know what I mean? It's horrible. There's really nothing you can work with here. Bro, Krabby. Oh my
Mm.
god, but this price is so bad, bro. Uh, Marcus. Oh, bro, Krabby.
Yo,
Did you
yo.
see the markets are closing next week Thursday? Cause
Somebody died.
someone died. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't even know that was possible. That the markets could just close cause someone dies. Who is he though? They were saying former president.
Yeah.
Former president.
One of-
Oh.
Somebody said one of the
Okay.
worst presidents in American history. Rest in
I get
peace.
it.
What the fuck?
What, bro? Oh,
Bro, what is this price?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I really don't. Bro, I was so excited, bro. I'm finally back in my setup. I'm finally back home. You know, I'm feeling good. We get on the worst price start. The worst price action, bro. What?
This price. Look at the 1 minute. God.
Bro, how the hell did you find shorts into this, bro? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
40 points too. I'll take that shit any day. Any day.
Bro,
40 points in this price is like a home run.
yeah, literally, it's like the best trade you could possibly get.
Like, holy shit.
It's like, bro, we have liquidity so close, and we can't even take that out, bro. It's like it's struggling to. Is we get selling, we get buying, we get selling. It's like, it makes no sense. It makes no sense. You gotta be patient. Oh, bro, trust me, I'm patient, bro. Maybe PM will might be better, but usually when AM is bad, PM is horrible. Yo, David, I might call it a day. There's no point in me trading. Yeah, bro. Go ahead, go ahead. Like I said, bro. I think you said this earlier, bro. You're better off calling it a day. This price is probably not gonna get you anything too crazy, and if it does, it'll probably be like what, like 30, 40 points at most. I mean, look at this. Back up to the upside,
What do we say, bro?
bro. Oh man. Oh man. Once I call it, bro, I'm getting straight into recording this video, bro. I'm hella excited. I have everything planned out, so I just gotta fix it. I have to go to a micro center and get some shit. Still waiting for the Apex sale, bro. I don't know what. I'm surprised they didn't do one for Christmas. They missed out on a lot of money on that. I don't know why they didn't do that. They're actually really
Wait,
good.
who? Apex?
Yeah, they didn't do a
Yeah,
discount.
I know. I know.
If anything, like our last resort for a really good discount would have to be on New Year's, the day before New Year's or the day after New Year's. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Remember, your chat is hilarious.
Bro, I know. I used to win.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, yeah. I got a good ass entry.
What'd you get? What, nine, seven. Wait, what? Two.
My first average was 324, and then I took a little more at around like 300. So 324 around there.
For real?
First average, first average, first average.
I thought you entered at 297. I was about to say,
No.
cause okay, but bro, this price. I'm actually gonna get off. Like, I really want to get off, bro.
I'm
There's
actually
no
gonna
way I'm
lose my
trading.
mind.
There's actually no way I'm trading this price action. Maybe for the PM session, but bro, wow, man.
Bro, I'm giving these runners a little like room with the SL, so hopefully these continue lower. If we expand lower here, I'll probably just drag it to this high at 311.
No, bro, if we take out this 253 level, I can probably get something. But bro, right now we're in a spot where no matter what comes up, I can't get anything.
Yeah, right here, no, definitely not.
Yeah, literally nothing. Um, I'm really hoping this week could be a lot better though. Do you think price? Okay, Krabby. Do you think
No,
price? What,
no.
bro? You said no before I even asked.
I know. I already know your question.
Do you think price is gonna be good tomorrow?
Probably not.
Probably not. Yeah. I mean, bro, look at this, bro.
Bro, look, we come down, we go up. Come down, go up.
You can't do anything with it. You really can't.
Oh my god. Dude, David, I might as well just give you this band.
Look at this,
Just
bro.
have
Red to green.
it.
All the way back up.
Bro.
Every time you say, I mean, bro, the reason I say it is because we have setups, we have good levels, we have good fair value, we have everything. Price opens up, and then price, we have everything good, and then price is just not pricing, pretty much.
Alright, yeah, I'm off.
You're out. You're out.
Yeah.
Oh my, bro, no sweep, no nothing. Just push, pump up. What are we looking for? Nothing. We don't really have anything. That's the problem. As much as I want to give you guys something, I literally can't.
Dude, literally, I'm about to just take my green and dip. Swear to God.
Bro, I'm
I
surprised
can't trade this.
Bro, I'm surprised you still want to trade this, bro. I'm surprised you still want to trade this. Bro. I'm gonna see. Maybe if any. The thing is, I don't even know if I. If anything, maybe if we, like I said, I'm still open to this 15-minute fair value gap from like an hour ago. I'm still open to it. I'm still open to trade it, but we need to go straight into it, and we're probably gonna do that during the PM session because right now this thing is looking so choppy that I don't know what we want to do off of it. Yeah, it's barcoding pretty much. Yeah. Let me check out the trading chart here. Look at that. Look at this. That's a nice gap though that's being created. Really nice. Okay, well, I guess we're not gonna see in PM. I guess we're gonna see it in a few seconds from now. We're probably gonna inverse this more than likely. And the thing is, if we do take shorts from this, we're creating another fair value gap on the 5-minute, which is probably gonna stop us. That's the problem. Okay, but to be fair, we did just retrace into this, so I don't know. Let's see if we can get a reaction off of this. If we can, then I don't know if I want to look to shorts, but we're probably gonna with this amount of buying coming in, we're probably gonna inverse this. No questions asked. Let's see. Yeah, look at the buying coming in. We're about to inverse it very soon. So, I told you guys, if we inverse this 15-minute, we're gonna resort to this 5 and 15-minute fair value gap. If buyers are looking really strong, we're gonna look to inverse it and take longs off pretty much 450. But we're gonna see. Obviously, I want to see a reaction off this first. Maybe we get a rejection. Maybe we get a good reaction. Who knows? Who knows? But if we do take shorts, it would have to be something like this. So obviously the stop loss up here. We look for about a 25-point stop loss. So our entry will be around 350, and then we just target 160. But we'll see. I mean, it's not looking horrible. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's not looking horrible at all. I just don't want to risk it because price is so like it's just not clear. That's the problem. It's just not clear at all. But let's see if we can probably, if we do take this, I'll probably take it extremely light. Let me see. Because I mean, to be fair, we are getting the rejection I want to see. It's just I don't know if price wants to hold it with price being so choppy and just not clear. That's the problem. Because obviously I don't want to have you guys getting another trade that gets stopped out and then it hits the price target shortly after. That's the one thing I'm just scared of getting. But to be fair, the setup that we did want to see is working out. So I'm just gonna say I'm just not confident in the setup. Like although it looks good, I'm just not really too confident in this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And we are getting the rejection. It looks so good. I might just say fucking and take it soon. As much as I want to take this, man. As much as I want to take this. I'm gonna say I'm nervous. I'm just nervous with this price. Look at this. It just keeps shooting back up. I want to try to find an entry around this, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. If we get a strong rejection back down, I might just take this light. By light, I mean like maybe like 5, 6 contracts. I'm thinking. But we'll see. We will see. Yes, on the other hand, not really doing. Actually, no. Yes is inside of this this gap. Cool, cool. And we are rejecting off of it. If ES can shoot down, then I'll be even better. But I'm for this trade alone, guys. I'm very nervous about it. If we do take it, it's not the setup. It's not my confidence. It's just the price just not being clear at all. Like you guys saw it. Krabby took shorts. We push down. We push back up. Like it makes no sense. I don't really get it too much.
No, literally. Look, if you guys actually are taking a trade, like I swear to God,
please size
you need. Yeah, you need to take 20, 30 points. Good scale, move, stop, and enjoy.
Yeah.
Literally, that's the only reason.
Yeah, yeah. Like, bro, I want to take these shorts so bad. You don't understand. It's just, I'm just so nervous with price that I don't want to have one of those moments where we get in and then we instantly get stopped out. Because that'll be like the most annoying thing. Now, if we can inverse this fair value gap, I'll be a lot more calm because obviously then I won't have to look for shorts and I'll just look for longs off this inverse up here. You know what I mean? But, man, I'm glad I didn't take your shorts. I really wanted to, but bro, I think it'll be better off if we just inverse this fair value gap and we just inverse one above and we just take longs off that. It'll be so much better. It'll give us more time to watch price, to see how buyers react, and then just go from there. You know what I mean? But man, this is I don't know. Obviously, when you're questioning a setup like this, you're probably better off not taking it, but you know what I mean? I'm really hoping we can inverse this fair value gap up here. I'm really hoping we could just inverse this and just so I could just say, okay, guys, no more shorts. You know what I mean? As much as I want to take it, I'm just not feeling these shorts at all. Price is so weird. Come on, let's at least inverse this gap up here. I really want to inverse it. Just so I don't have to worry about it. Because obviously the setup is good. Don't get me wrong. We're just out of a bearish fair value gap and everything. But man. Man. Okay, we inversed it. Okay, guys. Okay, no more shorts. Good, good. I didn't want to take that. Okay, now with very strong buying coming in, what I'm gonna look for is what I wanted to look for, which is gonna be the 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, I really want to inverse this gap above here, guys. If we can inverse this, we really have nothing stopping us until pretty much 500, right? But I'm gonna have to see how buyers step in here, right? I'm gonna have to see. We have two shots at longs here because this is what I really wanted to do. Although we don't have any sweeps, I'm gonna take the risk and just go based off the MSS that we're getting right here, right, guys? So setup number one, obviously, this gap right here, right? If price wants to retrace into this gap, right, about a 90-point fair value gap, right? If price wants to retrace into this gap, we can always look for a very nice bounce off this and look for longs into drawn liquidity right here and then drawn liquidity up here, right? We can always look for something like this, which would be amazing, right? But if price wants to keep going up and price wants to keep pushing up with the amount of strong buying that we're getting right now, what we could do is we can always take an inverse off this. It won't be the best entry, right? It'll be a good one. It'll be a really good one. Don't get me wrong. But we're just not going to make the most points, as we should based off this one, right? But we can always take it off this inverse right here if we get very strong buying and look to take it into strong liquidity up here at pretty much 500, right? So this setup I'm liking a lot more. And we're about to get a retracement into this 5 minute. So let's see if we can get a good reaction here. Now, I'm just hoping price doesn't chop up because obviously that's one thing I was kind of killing my my confidence here. But if we can get a 5 minute retracement into this and we get a very strong bounce, I'm talking 25, 30 point bounce, we should be good for longs. We really should be really, really good for longs. So let's say, for example, we bounce off the midpoint. We're looking at about a 25 point stop loss. Our first price target is going to be a 1 to 2, which is amazing. And then our second price target will be a pretty much a 1 to 3 if you round it, and then a 1 to 5. Pretty much like this, right? But obviously it depends where we bounce from. But I'm actually really liking these longs. Now the only problem, obviously, there's a little bit of a catch here, guys. The only catch here is we don't really have any signs of a sweep, right? So we don't know why price is reversing, which is not the best sign. But obviously, if buyers are looking really strong, we can always try to use it and just take the risk. You know what I mean? 496.50. Let me write everything here. Now, let's see. Obviously, we need to wait for a nice bounce here. We're finally back inside of this 5 minute fair value gap. Now all we need is a very strong bounce. We get the bounce, we take longs, and we're good to go. I would like to see a bounce into like 355. I would say would be a really good entry for these longs, I would say. But we need buyers to be very strong. Right now, it seems like we're getting a small rejection. Or not rejection, a retracement. My bad. We get a retracement, we should be good to go. Alright, guys? All we need is a strong a retracement plus a strong bounce, and we're good. Now, if this fair value gap doesn't hold up, I'm just coming back PM session. You know what I mean? Because obviously it, let's see. Bro, if this fair value, I'm telling you guys, if this fair value doesn't get respected, I'm gonna get off. Because that just means that no setup just is working today. But we're gonna find out. We're still in the midpoint, so we're gonna find out. The ES on the other hand, it really kind of inversed it. But let's see. I'm still waiting for something here.
Bro, look at the sell-off, bro.
Bro, like, oh my god, bro. We can't get a setup, bro. We really can't. Bro, like, it just makes... What are we rejecting from? What are we bouncing from? Bro, this market is not good, bro. Bro, nothing is getting respected. I mean, we can still get a bounce here, don't get me wrong, but I'm still trying to find something here. But bro, even if we do get a bounce here, I just won't feel confident in the bounce anymore. There's an investor in here listening, bro, for real, bro. Like nothing, bro. Nothing today is getting respected. Nothing. I'm trying to give you guys a good setup, but nothing, we're not getting any bounces, we're not getting anything. And now like, bro, what? I mean, I don't know, bro. Like, I want to take longs. We technically didn't close the fair value gap. When we filled it, but we didn't close it. So I want to see if we can hold it. But even if, bro, it's going to be the riskiest setup, bro. gonna be the riskiest setup possible. Yes, it's holding up, which is good, but like I low-key want to take this, but now we're pretty much in the same spot of what happened with the shorts where I like it, but I mean, bro, look at this. I'm about to get off, bro. I'm about to get off with 0 trades. I think we should. Yeah, no, bro, it's horrible. It's horrible. It's horrible. If we break this low, I'm getting off. Cause like, bro. Your plan for the 15-minute played out? No, it didn't. It got filled. Bro, if you would have taken this 15-minute, you would have been stopped out. You would have gone and stopped out, and the trade would have gone your way. Just because it went down after doesn't really mean anything. Doesn't mean it worked out. We didn't get the entry model, so. Bro, as much as I want to take these shorts, bro, I don't feel confident anymore. I don't like it. We filled the fair value gap. We're not getting a bounce. It's not really holding up. It's just not looking good. It's really not looking good. Yeah, I'm getting off this shit. Guys, I'm coming back game session. I'm not trading this. Nothing's getting respected. It's the probability of us getting a setup is super low. A setup that works, in fact. A setup that works. I'm getting off this. I'm getting off. This shit today is not, price is not good today at all. So yeah, guys, get off. Get off the markets. You guys have been watching the markets with me. It is not good. It is not good. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Please take it easy. If I do see something during the PM, I will 100% get on. For the looks of it right now, it's not looking too good. All right, guys. Take it easy, guys. Please don't force out a trade in this market. Please do not force a trade in this market. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace out, Krabby.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out, bro. And YouTube, guys, my bad for no. I can't really apologize for no trades today, but guys, this market is not worth trading. You guys can obviously see this. It is not good, guys. Please do not force out a trade in this very bad market. All right, guys. Now, if you guys do want to get access to the premium chat, get access to the live stream with no delay, get access to real-time alerts, guys, click the first link in the description and use code Christmas for 60% off any upgrade. If you guys are interested in joining, it is code Christmas. All right, guys. But yeah, other than that, guys, I am getting off. I am not trading this market. If I see something in the PM session, I'll probably trade it in the premium. But if not, I'm coming back tomorrow. All right, guys. Have a good one, and please be safe in this market. All right.